Jack, whose birthday is it on Friday?
I'm Elizabeth and me.
It's Elizabeth's birthday Friday? No, whose birthday is it?
Rose's.
No.
It's not. Is it Rose's birthday on Friday?
No.
Is it Elizabeth's birthday on Friday?
No.
Is it my birthday on Friday?
No.
Whose is it? Whose birthday?
Mommy.
Is it Mommy's birthday on Friday?
No.
Whose birthday is on Friday? Whose? Yours?
It isn't.
How old are you gonna be?
3.
3? Wow. Who's coming to visit you?
Grandma and Grandpa.
And what happens on Friday? Does anybody give you anything?
No.
Do you get presents?
No.
What's Mommy getting you for your birthday?
A big bicycle.
A big boy bicycle, right?
Wow.
What about Elizabeth over there? What's she doing?
She have a pink bicycle, a pink one.
She can when she's a little older, right? She's not really ready. Elizabeth, can you say hockey?
Do the aki. Do the aki. 2 days.
Oh, I heard Elizabeth say hockey.
Do
That's
the
right.
aki.